It's awesome. Okay, this is a Rev9 Downpipe for a 04 WRX. I got it for $180 new. It's got a cast iron bell mouth. It does have a catalytic converter. And it's got 2 bungs for O2 sensors, but I think I only need to use 1.
And what were those called?
Bungs. You can probably tell it's nighttime right now. That's because I've been doing this since daytime and now it's nighttime. Pretty simple. Okay, it does come with some hardware. Comes with a sort of ghetto gasket. See you later! Take care! Thank you! And it's got sort of a polished finish on it. Let's check the welds really quick. Okay, bracket's super shitty quality, but whatever. It's just a bracket. Welds are not the best, but we'll check the welds near the actual mounting point. This is from China originally. That's where it was made. So there's a cat. The welds are actually pretty nice. They're a little bit ugly right there, like they went a little bit too deep. But these are pretty nicely stacked. That's not bad. You can see right there, like the bend is pretty rough right there. But no matter what, it's gonna be better than the stock because not only is it larger diameter, this is 3-inch compared to what is it, like 2.5 or whatever for the stock. Let's check the bung. Comes with this little plug bolt. It's pretty beefy. Those are real nice welds too. A little bit of discoloration. You can see the steel was heated up a little bit too much, but that is really close to the weld, so I expect that. Let's check this bung. Where's the other bung? Is this a single bung? This was advertised as a 2 bung. Whatever. That's good. See, this is the bell mouth. It's like one straight hole. So from the turbo and the oh, that's. I might have to clean that up a bit. Okay, so make sure and check your holes, because you don't want those fragments floating around. I mean, this is an exhaust, so it's gonna be going this way, you know, out of the car. But still, I'm gonna clean that up with a file really quick. But that's not bad. Check those welds. That's probably the ugliest part right there. That's probably the ugliest right there. It's not bad. Cool. Let's get this. All of the hardware they included. Original diameter. Look at the difference. It's huge. Okay, update. That bolt right there, I don't know if you can see, but I had to basically cut it in half. The other bolts snapped off when I undid them. I'm reusing the old gasket because the new one kind of looked like garbage, so it doesn't look like the flange is sitting correctly. You can see how it's like overhanging. So, and there's also no mounting point. On the old one, there was a mounting point, I think right there, right where my finger is. And there's 0 mounting point in there. And I was able to get the spring kit on here. I just stole this off my Honda. And I know I gotta tighten it down still. You can see that big old gap, but I got them on there, so I just need to tighten that up. And then this is where they thought there'd be a mounting point, but there is none. So maybe like that's for the STI or something, because it said WRX/STI. That's the old one. That thing's heavy compared. I just got to pop the intercooler back on, and we're golden, and we'll test her out. I also cleaned out the throttle body.
If you ever need to get this out again, you can't. What was that? Oh, it was a centipede.
Okay. I gotta get the blow-off valve on.
Okay. Do you need me to light this more? Oh, I didn't like that, Doug. Coolant. That's where the coolants hang out.
So I cleaned this blow-off valve out, and I think it'll work better. I don't know. It's really smooth now. It used to be really sticky and gummy. Now, just so you know, I did not buy this blow-off valve. I would not have chosen to run a blow-off valve, even though it sounds cool. From what I've researched, these things are kind of useless on WRXs in particular. Okay, it's like 12 o'clock. I put the stage 2 tune on it, and it's like a whole different car. It's exactly what I wanted it to be. Like, I need to get some more bolts and stuff to mount it to the turbo a little bit better. And the mid-pipe section has still got a little bit of a gap in it. But yeah. Get the Rev9 downpipe. And I got the catalytic converter, so I could have got more power out of it, but I chose to have a little bit more eco-friendly of an exhaust system. So let's see if you can hear this. Yeah, it's awesome.